this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something really different. Let me pretend that the label is still on this because I had to do some instant noodle surgery to get the post ready this morning. Check this out. You ever seen this? It's Maruchan spicy chicken wonton soup. Yeah, right? Got this down in Renton at the Wajimaya down there. I like that one. I would have to say these days it's my favorite Wajimaya. Look, wontons. I wonder how they got this going on. I don't know. I swear I've seen this before too. I know there's a couple really different varieties of domestic Maruchan products that you never see anywhere. It's like, what the heck? Where did these come from? What planet am I on? But here's the individual wontons. They do have meat in them, which I enjoy. The meat of the animal.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Miles. How are you doing? Excellent. Are you having an enjoyable day?
Yeah.
All right. How many people does it take to screw in a light bulb? Fair enough. It should only take one. Just put everything in there. And here is your enjoyable snackery item. Have your snackery. You're welcome. Miles is going to enjoy his snacking snack. So you fill it up the line and you do it for 2.5 minutes at 1000 watts. Now we've got a timer set for 1 minute because you're supposed to let it sit in there for an additional minute. There's our water, our stuffings. Go wash your hands, mister. Whoops. Ah.
Oh, Papa.
Let's see. Go wash your hands. Now go get them. They're out there. Go find them, son. Go do what you know how to do. So just got done with school. They had kind of a haphazard, ridiculous craft project going on. It's kind of hard to do over Zoom, but it's cool. I think they had fun. Did you have fun working on your craft project?
Hi, Papa.
Hi. Did you have fun working on your craft project?
Yes.
Yeah, the paper sack and the poofs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember, it's squish, not bam bam bam. That's my fault. I kept telling you bam bam bam, but you squish when you glue it. Alright, here you go.
What's you?
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your beverage.
Enjoy your beverage. So, let's see. Got up, worked on top 10 lists. Glad I didn't go out because about 40 minutes after I woke up and got out here and started working on stuff, oh man, it opened up. It looked like it had snowed. There was so much hail on the ground. It got windy and nasty and cold. Like, that would have sucked a little. Quote of the day from Momofuku Ando. Number 246. This is great. I think of food as my calling. I like that. You know? Shared so many of these wonderful quotes with you. And eventually what's going to happen is we're going to run out. And you know what's going to happen then? I'm going to start all the way back at the beginning with quote number 1. Why? I don't know. I think it's kind of neat. I could go backwards from 308 or whatever high number it is, but I don't think I'm going to do that. That seems a little wacky. But yeah, wonton soup. So Maruchan currently is not really at Walmart stores currently. They were replaced by this other brand, and people have lost their minds saying like all sorts of ridiculous things about that. Ooh, 1 minute to sit. Okay. But yeah, check it out. There's meat in there. Meaty meat, meaty meat, meaty meat, meat. But people have come up with all these conspiracy theories. They were saying, what was the silliest one I thought was, the Chinese government have found a way to make it so Walmart has to bend to their whims, and oh my god, it was stupid. I think I figured it out, because there's a guy who said that they looked at a lot of the accounts, because I did a video about the stuff that's now at Walmart, about how somebody sent me stuff, so I did an unboxing, and it's gotten like a huge amount of views for a video, and yeah, he noticed that most of these accounts that were commenting, there's like, I'm guessing about 400 comments by now. The people that are commenting have brand new accounts. What does that tell you? Kind of interesting. This looks interesting. I'm gonna give it a stir and a sampling. I think this is a good choice of bowl. Let's just pour it in and we'll try it out of here. Very frothy. Hi, Miles. I'll get your tablet. Hold on. You're a nut. You're a total nut. Dude, you gotta stop putting your tablets in airplane mode. That does not do you well. Okay? Hot in the kitchen. What? There you go. You don't want the airplane. The airplane makes it so it doesn't work. They seem to be interested in putting it in airplane mode, but as soon as they do, it's like, you're kind of out of luck here. Here we go. We can get this frothiness out of here. It is spicy. It does have a spicy element. Not extremely spicy, but spicy enough. Actually, let's try the actual wonton. Now, if this had noodles in it, it'd be a wonton min, or a wonton mian. It's good. I like this. It's boiling hot, though. Noodles are wonton's good. A little bit of filling. The vegetables are puzzling, though. Anyway. Got some chicken I just baked with some adobo. beef it up with some chicken. Hey, you like that? I'm beefing it up with chicken. How does one do that? Oh, a little bit more chicken licking, and some spring onion. Some seeds. I think we're good. Well, it is spicy. Pepper flake. I really would like you to be able to see when this thing is. There's one. They're wonton, it's soup. Not a soup noodle, so it doesn't want to declare. That's the technical term when you have stuff coming to the surface and you can see it when you're doing food imagery. If it's in a broth, it's declaring. I just made that up. We wanted to declare, ladies and gentlemen, that there is food in there for real. Yeah. All right, now next one you're gonna see is this. It's Noodle Ramen. Moo. It's got to be beef. And I looked up the lanzhou and it shows beef all the time, so cooking it should be interesting.